name is Andy Ritan. I am owner and broker of Ritan Property Group in Atlanta, Georgia. And in this video, I'm going to talk about a major myth in Georgia landlording. And this is it. A lot of gurus in property management are going to give you this fantastic idea to save money as a landlord. And here it is. It's very simple. You're just going to require the tenant to be responsible for the first $50 of repairs every month. And your thinking here is that a lot of repairs are little. There's trip charges for vendors to get out there. If it's some kind of small job, you're just going to have the tenant do it, and it's going to discourage the tenant from, filing many small maintenance requests that chew up a lot of money. It's a great idea, right? Why not? What's not to like? Well, the problem with it is that it's illegal in the state of Georgia. In the state of Georgia, the landlord is responsible for making all the repairs, no matter how slight. You can never make the tenant responsible for any repairs. You can hold the tenant responsible for damages to the property over and above normal wear and tear, but you can't make the tenant responsible for repairs. In fact, I go to landlord-tenant law seminars given by the leading landlord-tenant attorneys in the city every year, and a case study that comes up frequently is whether a landlord can require a tenant to change the filters in the furnace or the air conditioner. It seems like a simple thing. The tenant has a long-haired Persian kitty. The hair clogs up the filter. That shortens the life of the unit and also decreases quality of the life for the tenant because the furnace or the cold air, the air isn't able to be brought to the correct temperature and the tenant suffers. Why wouldn't the tenant be responsible for changing that filter? The answer in the state of Georgia is that by law, the tenant simply isn't responsible for changing the chip filter, and if you try to make the tenant responsible for changing the filter in your lease, you're going to lose because the judge is going to throw it out and give a judgment against you to the tenant. Done deal. So that's one of the bigger myths I run into in landlording in Georgia. This is Andy Ritan with Ritan Property Group. If you have any questions, please contact my company.